Did we really? Did we? We hit it, guys! Oh my goodness, I fell asleep. I missed it going to 1,000, but we're at 1,000 subs. Woohoo! Yes.
As you guys saw, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. That is such a huge accomplishment, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. So before I get into this channel update, I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for all those who joined this journey from the beginning and had to deal with absolutely awful quality, terrible editing skills, and not the best 3D printing expertise. I appreciate you guys so much. And those of you guys who have joined more recently, welcome along and thank you so much for supporting, for interacting, liking the video, subscribing. Could not have done this without you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. I cannot express in words how grateful I am for you all in helping me to this journey. Now, with that being said, there's a couple of announcements to address. Number one, you might have mentioned, maybe you have not, this video is actually in 4K. And
it's finally here! I'm so excited. Finally, the new camera with much better quality. Hopefully, we won't have to keep using the iPhone for all of our videos. But here it is, the new 4K mirrorless camera. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. More things coming up for the channel, but this is, oh man, I've been saving for this guy. All right, got the battery charged, powering on for the first time. Okay, no noises. I guess let's open up the screen, see what that says. Please set the clock. Okay, so we got some setting up to do here, and I'll be right back with footage from this camera itself.
hopefully I got the editing settings and upload correct, and you're able to change that in the YouTube settings and go to 4K. Pretty awesome. What does that mean? How are we doing that? We got ourselves a new camera. As you guys engage and help me out, build this community to be what it is, I'm able to invest more into the channel, get better equipment, better creations, more content for you all, and the camera is just the first beginning of all of that. So, what else is coming up for this channel? Another great channel announcement. We are actually rebranding to Antons Creations. So, if you go on YouTube and you see, what is this icon? I don't remember subscribing to them. Who the heck is that? Who is Antons Creations? That is I, that is me, that is Anton Talks Check, switching to Antons Creations. When I initially started this channel, I thought about doing a little bit of tech stuff in general, and then I landed on 3D printing content, so I think that name change will kind of be a little bit more appropriate. Along with that, we've got a pretty cool logo. Yeah, collaborator got a graphic designer do some work for us. Pretty cool. So the camera quality, the branding of the channel, getting a little bit more professional look to it. Now, the other things, what's coming up for the channel? So where have we come to? What's coming up? Number one, guys, I have launched a Patreon page. Now, I've had one for a while, but I haven't really talked about it, didn't think about it much. I didn't think that we'd get to this point. We have 1,000 subscribers. That means like we're really getting somewhere. You guys are really enjoying the content. There's so much more that we can do with that because of that. So if you want to join my journey, help me out with my Patreon, sign up there. Link is always in the description of all my videos. I would greatly appreciate it. All of that money will be going back into the channel. Not a single dime will be going for Anton's, I don't know, McDonald's meal, that I go to McDonald's. It's all going to be going to better mic equipment, tables, more 3D printers, and as always, creating bigger and better 3D printing creations. Iron Man suits aren't the only thing that I want to be making that's big. IG-11 droids aren't going to be the last of droids that we build. We've got so many amazing creations that we can be doing, and with your guys' help and continual support, we can be able to do all of that. I have huge dreams, huge vision for this channel, and with your guys' help, we can do it all. Another thing though, with Patreon, you're not just getting Patreon and feel warm inside that you're helping me out. I have to give you guys something back. So the first thing that I'm going to be offering Patreon is actually exclusive access to certain Discord features. Now, let me be clear, Discord will always be free. Always has been, always will be. You can join it. I highly recommend. If you don't know what it is, it's a platform where people can join any kind of community and talk about whatever they want. There are different channels on different topics. Our community is focused on 3D printing, but we can do all sorts of channels on different topics. It has personally helped me out, and I've been able to help other people and many other creators that are really knowledgeable in 3D printing world or in general are there. So you have questions, concerns, you just want to show off your work, you can do that. Definitely check it out. But as I was saying with the Patreon, what you're going to get is exclusive access to certain channels most of the public doesn't see. What am I going to be posting in these channels? I'm going to be using this platform to show you guys behind the scenes content. Now, behind the scenes content may or may not be interesting to you, but what will be kind of cool is you're going to see stuff weeks before it goes publicly on YouTube. So if you want that, that's one thing that I'm beginning to offer through the Patreon page. Now, there's plenty of other things I could potentially add, and if you guys have some ideas or suggestions, as always, you can hit it down in the comments below. Instagram, DM me, message me on Discord, put it up there. Wherever you want, I'll be definitely looking forward to your guys' input of what else I can offer for you guys in your support. Now, we've got channel rebranding, better camera quality, a Patreon page. What else is there to do? So many things, guys. So many things. So, what I will tell you all is just this. I have giant projects in the plans. I have really exciting stuff going on. If you continue to interact, keep sharing this channel, keep interacting, keep watching it, hitting the sub button down below, big things will keep happening. Thank you all who have already joined this journey with me. If you haven't joined this channel before, well, you probably should check out the other content. You probably don't know me, don't know what the channel is all about, highly recommend it. But I promise you, if you hit the sub button, you won't regret it. That's my promise and guarantee for every video. It's free content. Doesn't cost you a dime. You should do it. With that being said, thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.